Good morning students. Welcome back to Shaba Group of Schools online class. In the previous class we have studied rational functions. Today we discuss about partial fractions. Partial fraction means, listen, f of x by g of x. This is the rational fraction, rational functions. Said. So in the rational function, if f of x, degree of f of x is less than degree of g of x, then it is called proper fraction. Okay. இந்த ப்ராப்பர் ஃப்ராக்ஷனை ஒரு சிம்பிளர் டேர்மாக நம்ம எப்படி ஃபார்ம் பண்ண போகிறோம், எப்படி ரீரைட் பண்ணி எழுத போகிறோம், தட் இஸ் கால்டு பார்ஷியல் ஃப்ராக்ஷன். ஸோ அந்த லீனியர், இப்போ ஜி ஆஃப் எக்ஸ் மேபி ஃபேக்டரைஸ் இன்டூ லீனியர் ஃபேக்டர்ஸ் ஆர் குவாட்ரேட்டிக் ஃபேக்டர்ஸ். லீனியராகவும் எழுத முடியும், சம்டைம்ஸ் எழுத முடியலன்னா குவாட்ரேட்டிக்காகவும் நம்ம எழுதுவோம். லீனியராக இருக்கும்போது இந்த சிம்பிளர் ஃபார்ம் எப்படி இருக்கும் அப்படின்னா, suppose this is repeated means denominator is repeated, x power k whole power x minus a whole power k, this is repeated only, no, x power a into x power a into x power a k times இருக்குது. ஸோ repeated மாதிரி வந்தது அப்படின்னா we write this like this, a1 some constant by x minus a, அதாவது that is power 1, next constant by x minus a whole square plus etc up to k. Suppose it is non-repeated, repeat ஆகாமல் இருக்குது, x plus a into x plus b into x plus c அந்த மாதிரி இருக்கும்போது we write this as this, a1 by x plus a plus a2 by x plus b plus etc. For example, suppose 1 by x plus 1 whole cube, this is repeated one, repeatedஆக இருக்கும்போது a by first power, b by power 2 and c by power 3. Similarly, non-repeated x plus 1 x minus 2 இருந்தது அப்படின்னா first a by first bracket and b by second bracket, and then find the value of a b, substituting here we get the partial fraction. This is called partial fraction decomposition. Suppose quadratic factor-ஆக இருக்குது, லீனியராக இல்லை, லீனியர் மீன்ஸ் ஃபேக்டரைஸ் பண்ண முடியாதப்போ நம்ம குவாட்ரேட்டிக்காக தான் வச்சுருப்போம். குவாட்ரேட்டிக் ஃபேக்டராக இருக்கும்போது நம்ம கான்ஸ்டன்ட்டை எப்படி எடுக்கிறோம் பாருங்கள், a1x plus b1. Suppose repeated means a1x plus b1 power 1 and a2x plus b2 power 2 etc. இதே மாதிரி சேம். நான் ரிப்பீட்டட் மீன்ஸ் நம்ம வேறு வேணால் யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம், இங்கே என்னவோ ஃபஸ்ட் ப்ராக்கெட் செகண்ட் ப்ராக்கெட் அந்த மாதிரி யூஸ் பண்ணிப்போம். அண்டர்ஸ்டுட். Now let us see the exercise sum 2.9. First one, 1 by x square minus a square. First factorize, if possible factorize. It is equal to 1 by x plus a into x minus a. Already factorize பண்ணியிருந்ததுன்னா no problem, factorize பண்ணலைன்னா factorize பண்ணுறோம். 1 by x plus a into x minus a. First we assume this as, this is non-repeated, isn't it, x plus a x minus a. So which is equal to some constant a by x plus a plus b by x minus a. This is our first step. Okay. Next, taking LCM here, that is x plus a into x minus a. Cross multiplying we get a into x minus a plus b into x plus a. Our left hand side is same, right, as it is x plus a into x minus a. Okay, this is second step. Next, equating the numerator, that means cancelling the denominator on both sides, we get 1 is equal to a into x minus a plus b into x plus a. Okay. Next, equating each bracket equal 0, equating x plus a 0 and equating x minus a equal to 0. What we get here, x is equal to minus a, here x is equal to plus a. Okay, x value find out பண்ணி அந்த வேல்யூ இதில் சப்ஸ்டியூட் பண்ணுறோம். மார்க் திஸ் as 1 and this as 2. ஓகே, ஃபஸ்ட்டு x is equal to minus a or plus a, எது வேணாலும் யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். First put x is equal to plus a. Substituting x is equal to a in second equation. Substitute here, 1 is equal to a into a plus a, that is 0. A minus a, this is 0, plus b into a plus a. So we get 1 is equal to a into 0, 0, so leave that term. Next one, b into 2a. So what is our b? So our b is equal to 1 by 2a, isn't it? 1 by 2a. Next we put, already we use x is equal to a. Now we put x is equal to minus a in second equation, that is 1 is equal to a into minus a into x minus a, isn't it? So instead x we put minus a, so minus a plus b into minus a plus a, so this becomes 0. So leave that term, we get minus 2a into a. So our a is equal to 1 by minus 2a or minus 1 by 2a. This is our a value. Substituting a and b in first equation, we get the partial fraction. So first equation becomes, our left hand side is 1 by x plus a, x minus a equal to a is minus 1 by 2a. Minus 1 by 2a by x plus a plus b is 1 by 2a by x minus a. Now bring this to a. In the denominator we get minus 1 by 2a into x plus a plus 1 by 2a into x minus a. First write the positive term. We get 1 by 2a into x minus a minus 1 by 2a into x plus a. This is our answer, understood? Now taking LCM, our left hand side is no change, so write as it is, x square plus 1 x minus 1 x plus 2 equal to, LCM is x square plus 1 x minus 1 x plus 2. So listen, first given one is this, already factorized, and first term is quadratic. Quadratic நம்ம வந்து இதை factorize பண்ண முடியாது, லீனியராக எழுத முடியாது. So we take x square plus 1, the denominator means our numerator is ax plus b. அதாவது ஒரு linear termல இருக்கும் நம்ம constant ax plus b by quadratic function, and as usual plus c by second one, d by third one. Next we equating this, taking this as LCM, we get already x square plus 1 is there. So the remaining 2 is missing. So multiply ax plus b into x minus 1 into x plus 2 plus c into, already x minus 1 is there, so leave that, the remaining 2 is multiplied, that is x square plus 1 x plus 2 plus d into x plus 2, the remaining one is, remaining 2 terms are x square plus 1 x minus 1. Now equating the numerator, on both sides we get x here, which is equal to ax plus b into x minus 1 into x plus 2 plus c into x square plus 1 x plus 2 plus d into x square plus 1 x minus 1. This is our equation number 2 and this is our equation number 1. Next substituting first. What is first value? Listen the brackets. This is x square plus 1. இதை equate பண்ண முடியாது. இதை equate பண்ணா we get x is equal to 1. Here we get x is equal to minus 2. So first we put x is equal to 1 in second equation. We get x is equal to 1 means 1 is equal to, listen, ax plus b and x is equal to 1 போட்டிங்கன்னா இந்த term ஃபுல்லாக 0 ஆகிடும். That means x minus 1 வர term ஃபுல்லாக 0 ஆகிடும். So leave that one. Here the last one is 0. So we are having the middle term, that is c into x square 1 square plus 1 into 1 plus 2. That is 1 is equal to c into 1 plus 1 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. That is 1 is equal to 6c, which implies our c value is 1 by 6. Understood this? Next we put x is equal to minus 2. In second equation we get minus 2 here. Is it equal to, listen, this term becomes 0, x plus 2 irukku. Again second term becomes 0, third term only not equal to 0. So substituting there we get d into instead x square minus 2 the whole square, that is 4 plus 1 and minus 2 minus 1. So minus 2 equal to d into 5 minus 3. So minus 2 equal to 5 3s are 15, that is minus 15 into d. So minus minus gets cancelled. We get our d value is 2 by 15. Understood? Next we use convenient value. Take x is equal to 0. Put x is equal to 0, we get 0 in second equation. This is our second one. So 0 equal to here we get 0 plus b, is it? And here 0 minus 1, 0 plus 2 plus c into 0 plus 1, 0 plus 2 plus d into 0 plus 1 and 0 minus 1. So 0 is equal to, listen, minus 2, is it? Minus 1 into 2 is minus 2b plus 2c minus d. Minus 1 into plus 1 becomes minus 1 into d. Now using c value and d value. What is c? C is 1 by 6 and d is 2 by 15. Using these values here, we get minus 2b into c is 1 by 6 and d is 2 by 15. Now bring this minus 2b left hand side. Here 0 we are having now. So minus 2b becomes plus 2b. This is equal to 2 by 6 cancelling by 2. 1 times 3 times. So 1 by 3 minus 2 by 15. Now taking 15 as LCM, you get 5 times, isn't it? So 5 minus 2, that is 3 by 15. Cancelling by 3 we get 1 by 5. 2b is 1 by 5 and b is equal to 1 by 5 2s are 10. So our b value is 1 by 10. Now equating x cube coefficient at both sides. X cube, that is highest coefficient equate panna easy irukum. X cube coefficient, listen, ax into x into x. So inge or x cube term kedaikum, that is a x cube nu varum. So take the coefficient only a and here x square x, so x cube varum plus c. Next d order x square into x, here one x cube term, that is d. The left hand side is 0. So equating x cube term or coefficient of x cube also. Equating coefficient of x cube on both sides of second equation. We get 0 is equal to a plus c plus d. Now using the values of c and d, that is a plus c is 1 by 6, d is 2 by 15. Now bring these two values left hand side, that is minus 1 by 6 minus 2 by 15 equal to a. So now taking 30 as LCM, is it? 6 comma 15, the LCM of these two is 6 5 are 30. 30 is our LCM. So multiplying this by 5 we get 30, isn't it? Minus 5 minus multiplying this by 2 we get 2 2s are 4. So minus 9 by 30 equal to a. Strike by 3 table, 3 times 10 times. So minus 3 by 10 equal to a. That is a value is minus 3 by 10. Now we got all the 4 constants a, b, c, d. Substituting in the first equation, we get the answer. Now substituting all the values in first equation, values of a, b, c and d in first equation. First equation is x by x square plus 1 x minus 1 x plus 2. This is equal to ax plus b. So instead a minus 3 by 10 x, b is 1 by 10 by x square plus 1 and c is 1 by 6 x minus 1 and d is 2 by 15 by x plus 2. Now 10 is common, taking outside, minus 3x plus 1 by 10 into x square plus 1, 1 by 6 into x minus 1 plus 2 by 15 into x plus 2. So we write this as 1 minus 3x. First write the positive term by 10 into x square plus 1 plus 1 by 6 into x minus 1 plus 2 by 15 into x plus 2. That's all. Understood this? I hope you all understood today's class and do the homework and revise all the example sums also. Thank you, students.